All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're going to take a look at what's going on around the shop. All right, so I have a 5 Series BMW with the Hot V, and I am doing a warranty repair for a technician that is no longer here. Andrew, if you remember back in the day, nothing he did wrong. The part failed. So had to put a new crossover hose in it, and I have it pressurized to make sure there's no more leaks. And it's been sitting here for several hours, so no leaks. All right, Bam Bam has this project going on. A complete reseal of a Volkswagen 2.0. Did timing chains and the cam cover, the rear main seal, the oil pan. So he went ahead and took the engine out of the car to do all the repairs. So he just has to put it back in tomorrow morning and get this one on the road. And if you can tell by the box, I did a bunch of Akebono brakes today. Tomorrow's project is a pan reseal on a Jeep Liberty for a transmission code. It was 2 quarts low on oil, pan's leaking. You know, of course, filming. All right, this Jetta has some transmission codes. We're putting speed sensors in it tomorrow. That's Josh's car. We just brought it in this bay because the sunroof leaks and it might rain. This Highlander is Zach's leftover from today, doing front brakes and rear brakes and calipers. All right, Josh has the Thunder Chicken with a power steering leak. The rack is leaking, the pressure hose is leaking, and the pump has pretty much bought the farm for the power steering system. So it's got 300,000 miles on it, and this lady loves this car, even though she has spent a not small fortune on it. She's spent a fortune on it, and she keeps fixing it. This Hyundai outside is actually Josh's too. The compressor on it is smoking. The hub is locking up, so we're actually going to put a shorter belt on it to deal with that in the morning. This Saab is a stolen recovery Saab that we did a bunch of work on. We're waiting for the insurance company to approve the repairs from, well, it being stolen. So that's Jesse's. He did a bunch of work on it right before it got stolen. So, and then he's got this Saab. Unfortunately for him, he has a lot of history with working on Saabs at the shop. So this one is getting a warranty blower motor and resistor, so it's no charge to the customer. And it also has a rather horrible exhaust leak that the customer was told about last time, and it's gotten worse. We'll see if they go to the exhaust shop and actually get that fixed. OE filters. Thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.